Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Marissa, and today's video I have a huge home goods haul. So let's just jump right into it. So I have a huge home goods haul for you guys today. Like, it is massive. If you guys don't know, me and my boyfriend just bought another house. We sold our other one and we bought a new one. It's currently being built, and we needed a lot of stuff because when we were putting stuff in storage, my boyfriend packed heavy things on top and everything fell over and broke. So we needed like basically all new kitchen stuff and all glass things because he broke it all. So let's jump into it. I'm just gonna grab and show you guys because there is a lot. Okay, we spent like almost 300 bucks. I'm gonna try to have everything linked down below. I know that Home Goods now has like an online site, so hopefully the things that I found in store I can also find online for you guys. And if you hear snoring, it's my dog. To begin, we have some glasses. I think finding glasses at Home Goods is such a good deal. This was $4.99 and it comes in a set of 4. And they're just like small beverage glasses from Rachel Roy. So cute. So we got 2 sets of those. So we'd have 8 because all of our glasses broke. And all of our mugs did as well. So I got this. This is a set of 2 double wall insulated hot or cold mugs for $12.99. They're just like the clear ones. I think they're really cute and aesthetic, and I think it's cool that you can do hot or cold in them. Okay. Then, like I said, we got 2 sets of the small ones. They wanted matching cups, like the small and the tall ones, and I found them also by Rachel Roy. This is the set of 8 beverage glasses, and this was $7.99 for 8. So they just look like that. Super cute, aesthetic, just simple. Can't go wrong. So we got these cute little like bowls for like Chinese food, or if we make like burrito bowls, but I think it's cute that it comes with some chopsticks. So I just got 2 of them. I got it in this cool pattern, and these were $6.99. So super cute. The other one, I don't know where the other one is currently, but I'll find it after. I also got a cute little mug. It's like this nice, just mint green color with some, you know, designs on the inside. I think it's so cute. I just like love the texture and the look of it. It's really aesthetic to me. And this was $4.99. They have the best mugs, like by far. Okay, we got this really cool bowl. We like to make a lot of like chicken wings and like chicken in general, so I thought this would be really like good to kind of like saute and mix in our sauces and stuff. And this was $3.99. It's seriously so big. I can like wear it as a hat. If you're looking for good like serving trays, I highly recommend going to Home Goods because you can find some really cute ones that are really affordable. So we got this one. It says that it's made in Italy. I think it's so cute. This was $14.99, and what's great about this is that it's microwave. Let's see. It can get hot in the microwave, but it's dishwasher safe. And if you really need to put it in the microwave, you can, but like I said, it might get a little bit hot. But how cute is that like pattern? And then we just need some new cutting boards. Again, best place to get some cutting boards. This one was $12.99, and this one is an acacia board, earth-friendly wood, so it's real wood. It's nice. All of our other ones are kind of cheap and not like the best, but this one feels really soft and good. Next up, we have a Le Creuset. These are actually really expensive if you go to like a nice like home store. So I was really happy that I found them at Home Goods. This was 20 bucks, so $19.99. It doesn't have the lid or anything, and this is also really good if you're like baking chicken parm. You know, you could put anything in here and just stick it right in the oven, so it is an oven baking dish. So we have an espresso machine, but my boyfriend really wanted like a French press, so I got one. $12.99. Super cute, aesthetic. You know the deal. Here's another one of those bowls with the chopsticks, and this was $6.99, and they had like all different designs and colors, but I love my neutrals. We got my boyfriend a cute little like deer mug. He actually just hunted a deer and got one for his first time ever. So we had to. We just had to, you know. And then we actually got another little Le Creuset little baking dish. This is the 7x5 inch and this was 10 bucks. I don't know exactly what I'm going to bake in this, but I thought it'd be cute if you had like a little dip, or you can make like just even like a tiny little bread or something. I don't know. I just thought it was really cute. Okay, some of the things we bought were a little random, like this guy. But since we always like to cook and our new house has like a really nice granite backsplash. Sometimes and we just have like a gas stove. Everything sort of like spews up when you're cooking, you know, like splatters and kind of gets everything dirty. So I figured we might as well just get this so we can put it on, because sometimes when you're making bacon or chicken or whatever you're making like on the stove, sometimes everything just splatters everywhere and it's a huge mess and it ruins everything. So got one of these and it was $6.99. Okay, next up we have a pizza tray. This was $6.99. This is so cool. I actually love making my own pizzas, and I just needed some new like trays anyway, so I was like, might as well get this. This is 12.5 inches round. So if you like pizzas and want to make them in the oven and you need a tray, go to Home Goods, because pretty cool if you ask me. I don't know why we bought so many baking dishes, but we did. And this one is super cool. It's from Portugal. This really nice green, and it was $12.99, so you really can't beat that for a really nice dish. I don't know how big this one is because it doesn't say, but it is freaking huge. I'm actually missing one. I really don't know where it is. I hope I can find it because we actually bought 2 of these for our dogs. One's pink and one's gray. This one's for Lulu that you can hear in the background. And it just says feed me and thirsty. And then we got bigger ones for our other dog because she's a little bit bigger. And this was $16.99. This one was $19.99 and it was apparently made in Italy. Just a bigger cutting board because, like I said, all of ours are just broken or torn in half because we cook so much on them. So we just got another one that was a little bit bigger than the first one I showed you. Next up is some champagne glasses. My mom actually got these for us for Hanukkah, but they are from Home Goods, so I figured I'll throw them in here, and they were $7.99 for a set of 4 by Nicole Miller. They're really nice and thick too, so they're really good quality, and I also think this would be a really good Christmas gift to give someone because that's what she gave me for Hanukkah. Last bag, and we are almost done. This is actually not as long as I thought because I just kind of like whipped through everything. Oh no! Anyways, we got some coasters for our table. We actually got like a real marble table, so we're gonna try to keep it, you know, in good shape because it was quite expensive. And these just fell apart, but it's okay. This was a set of 4 for $6.99, and they're just these really cute wood coasters. I just love the warmth of them, and I'm really excited to put them just like on the table. It's gonna look really good. And last but not least, we got ourselves a nice glass pitcher. I really wanted it to be clear, but the white is super cute, and this was $12.99. My boyfriend's like obsessed with like orange juice and was like, I need a pitcher to put like some orange juice in it, like fresh squeezed. I'm like, okay, we'll get this one and we'll get some other ones after, because I guess he's thinking that our fridge is just gonna be like pitchers of different drinks. One can dream, right? And that is it for this huge Home Goods haul. Like I said, I will try to have stuff linked down below if I can find it on their site. If not, I'll try to link just like similar items if they're not like the exact same ones, if you're interested. And yeah, I'm super excited. I'm actually filming the whole house process, just like of the whole just like building in general, so that will obviously be up in a few months when the house is ready. Every time we go there, I just try to bring my camera hopefully when I remember, and kind of just give you guys updates and kind of take you the process from, you know, from the wood up into when we move in. So I'm really excited, and yeah, lots of home videos are going to be coming your way, so stay tuned. Give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell to be notified, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!